4.5 Multiplication of radical expressions. So let's look at page 71. Letter A first. You will see that root 2 times root 10. So this answer will be root 20. Okay, then I'm gonna make several radical expression more, so such as maybe 2 root 3 times 5. Then this becomes 10 root 3. Another one, 3 root 2 times 5 root 3 will be 15 root 6 here. So do you see what I did among those three questions? So this first question case, root 2, root 10, they both are the radical value, and then I multiply them, so got radical 20 here. Now, this question case, 2 root 3 times 5, I only multiply 2 and 5, and I got 10 root 3 here. So like this, if you multiply maybe the rational with the radical number and then rational, then you only multiply rational and then copy down radical value here. So this one you can do much better because we have rational, also radical, and then you see the answer here. I only multiply rational together and then radical together. So I got 15 root 6. So like this, whenever you multiply radical value, some value with a rational number together, like 2 root 3, 5 root 2, like that, then when you multiply, you always multiply rational number only between rational numbers or only between the radical number. Okay? Then, what about this case? B, root 20 times root 54. Of course, you can just multiply root 20 times root 54, but somehow we may be able to simplify before we multiply. The reason I'm suggesting this way, because we want to make a simpler number form. Okay, then 20 case. So 20 means 4 times 5 and 2 times 2. So you can rewrite this 2 root 5. And the 54, which is 9 times 6 and 3 times 3 and 2 times 3 here. So as you see, one pair, so root 54 equal to 3 root 6. This is not something square form, so you just multiply it back and then put it here. Okay, then root 20 times root 54, you can rewrite 2 root 5 times 3 root 6. Then what do you do now? You only multiply between rational, also between radical here. Then what is the answer? You will get 6 root 30. That will be the answer. So let's do a little bit harder question, like letter C. Root 3 times root 15 minus root 3 here. So basically, this case you need to distribute Okay, then this will be root 45 minus root 9, right? Okay, then now we need to simplify. So 45 means 9 times 5, so this is 3 and 3. So as you see, we one pair, so become 3 root 5, and then now this become 3. So the answer become 3 root 5 minus 3. That's the answer for this question. Okay. What about D case? Eight root 7 minus root 5 times root 7 plus 3 root 5. As you see, we are multiplying binomial times another binomial, so you need to FOIL. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay? Therefore, this becomes 8 root 7 times root 7, which is 8 times root 49. Now 8 root 7 times 3 root 5 become plus 24 times root 35, and then minus root 5 times root 7 becomes minus root 35, and then minus root 5 times plus 3 root 5 become minus 3 root 25. So then it becomes 8 times 7 plus, you can combine this 23 root 35 and minus 3 times 5. So it becomes 56 plus 23 root 35 minus 15. So the answer going to be 41 plus 23 root 35. That will be the answer for this question. Okay?